Hello everyone. I hope you guys are having a really good day, making some really good trades, and yup, let's just get into it. And right now we can see that Bitcoin has come down to 16,136. We've been chopping sideways in this symmetrical triangle, and I've been telling a lot of people that yes, these triangles can break towards the upside or towards the downside, but you need to take a look at other factors regarding the current trend of Bitcoin, like the macro trend, the micro trend, and also what kind of market that we are in. And overall, we are in a bearish trend. We are in a bear market. So in my opinion, it is more likely to break towards the downside than towards the upside. But right now, for the time being, we can see that Bitcoin has come down. It's bounced off these lows right here, coming right around 15,885, but ultimately it looks like we are going to make lower lows. For me, as you know, that's my opinion. We can see that right now we had a huge scam wick right now on Bitcoin, but good old Uncle Mickey had everyone in the Discord protected, and it did not hit our stop loss, and we are actually very nicely in the money on a couple of trades. Let's just go over them right here. Again, congratulations to you gold members inside the Discord. You guys are catching some amazing trades. We just closed another massive trade on XRP, up over 81%. And again, I give you I give you guys these trades in real time, updated immediately. And you guys can see we entered a Bitcoin short at 16,650. We entered a short at 39 cents on XRP, and we entered a short on Litecoin at $63. And most of you looks like got in just in time. So congratulations to you guys. You guys are absolutely getting some massive wins today in the Discord. Yeah, bastards are trying to hit our stop loss before taking it lower. Good thing Uncle Mickey has his stop loss above the scam wick levels. Good job, guys. All right, let's keep going. If you guys want to join the Discord, the link is in the description. And actually a very big announcement for the Discord. We have now made the Discord general chat free. There is just a lot of security measures for you to guys join in. So I welcome all the scammers to try and join in. You will not be able to join in with your spam bots. There will no longer be any more scammers. And if the scammers do join, no problem. We have the ban hammer ready for you guys, and we're gonna whack you in the head with it. All right, moving on. Right now on the DBS side, we have a 17 and a -3 on market side for Bitcoin, looking very bearish. And on top of that, we have a yellow X, which is a yellow manipulation X. Looks like price is going to be moving towards the downside. Let's take a look at some shorter time frames. We have a red diamond on the 4-hour time frame right here, looking pretty bad, with some more red money flow coming in, momentum waves anchoring down. Same thing for the VWAP. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Things are starting to calm down a little bit here. You guys can see we have the two very big green dots, a 20 and a -3, but ultimately I think this is going to fade and we are going to roll over to some lower levels. Again, I know a lot of people are saying this is the bottom here, but again, there's a lot of people that were calling all sorts of bottoms. You know, this is the bottom, this is the bottom, this is the bottom, this is the bottom, now this is the bottom. At one point there's going to be so many bottoms that it's going to turn into a strip club. Okay, there isn't that many bottoms in Bitcoin. Once we're going to finally have a bottom, people will be in mass panic. There will be panic selling. There will be long-term hodlers giving in, or at least the ones that are new to the space and just got in and have just completely given up. And then you will have your bottom, because granted, like 16,000 is very low compared to where we were at 69,000, but it can go lower. It can get significantly cheaper for Bitcoin, and ultimately I expect like at least an 86% drawdown from the high to the downside for Bitcoin, right around 9,300. But ultimately we could definitely go lower than this level. We could easily go lower, given if the market conditions start to given if the traditional markets start to roll over as well. But yeah, you guys know where I stand. I've been bearish for a long time, and now it's starting to play out for us very, very nicely. Let's take a look at the DXY quickly. We can see that the DXY is getting some nice upside right here, up to 107.3. Next resistance, in my opinion, is going to be right around 107.7 for the DXY. Again, this moving up is bearish for the traditional markets and bearish for gold as well. As you guys can see, since the DXY started to reverse back up towards the upside, gold's been getting a nice pullback here after a massive run up that it's had. Expect the next support for gold to be right around 1725, but if the DXY starts surging back towards the upside, you are going to see these support levels going to give in. Same thing for silver, very correlated as well to DXY. If the DXY pumps, silver will sell off as well. You got your next support coming you got next support coming in right here at $20.67. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Our Litecoin trade doing very, very well. I think we are up over 50% on this trade as well. Again, you guys can make your entire monthly membership back in one single trade if you guys are in the crypto leverage trade. Some people are doing the options trade and made over $150 just using like $100. So you guys are getting a huge return back on some of your trades. So I don't know why people are saying it's too expensive. Maybe they just don't have the capital. If you don't even have $40 for a monthly fee for a trading subscription, I definitely don't advise you to be trading. You should definitely be saving your funds or putting it into education and potentially getting a better job, or you can increase your cash flow, and then you can start investing in trading. But if you have like $30 to your name and your $20 to your name, it's not really worth trading in my opinion. Let's keep going right here. Let's take a look at where was I? Oil quickly. Oil is back down to $79 a barrel right now, or $80 a barrel, 79.9. And I actually expect oil to go down potentially $65 a barrel, like I've talked about many times. And once we get into that middle of Q2, Q3 of 2023, I expect oil to be back down to potentially $50 a barrel to $45 a barrel, as we will then be officially declared into a recession. And by then, by the time they declare us into a recession, oil will have already been down there, and we will be probably nearing the end of the recession, because they are going to stimulate, as they always do. Even if there is high inflation now, the Fed will give in and print money like you've never seen it before, and then we will have even more inflation. Moving on, let's take a look at what we have on the Forex calendar. On the Forex calendar, you guys can see, let me just make this big. You guys can see on Monday we don't have too much there, so it's going to be a bit of a slow day. And on Tuesday, there isn't anything coming in except for maybe their FOMC members speaking and the Richmond Manufacturing Index for the US. And on Wednesday is when everyone's been waiting for, is the FOMC minutes, right? We're going to see what they've been saying at their previous FOMC discussion, and if they are going to be bearish. Some of the members have been calling this the FOMC, the bearish minutes, because we are most likely going to go down if they have talked about higher rates or potentially not pivoting for a very long time. And you guys can probably tell, I took this away by accident. You guys can probably tell that the market is tanking right now because Biden is calling for more regulation on crypto following the FTX and Alameda collapse. Excuse me, sorry, that is not a bullish burp, that is just a regular burp. You guys can probably tell the crypto prices just took a very big hit today. On the daily time frame, let's get on the daily time frame. You guys can see Chili's took a huge hit, down more than 20%, I believe, in one single day. And then you guys can see that all the other coins as well took some pretty big hits as well. Litecoin down a little bit, Link down, Mana down, Matic down. Everything is down since that announcement came out, because as you guys know, more regulation is not good. We need the free market to operate, but obviously there's a lot of stupid investors that don't know what they're doing, and they want the government to hold their hand and tell them what to do, because they're dumb and they don't know what they're doing, and that's why they need the free market. And if you are a smart investor, market rewards you because you know what you're doing, and that's how the world should work. Stupid people should be punished for their stupid mistakes, play stupid games, win stupid prizes, right? And if you're smart and you do the correct thing, you'll get paid out. But unfortunately, that's not the way the world works. Apparently, the government will hold everyone's hand that doesn't know what they're doing and tell them that they'll take care of everything. So let's move on. For me, Bitcoin, we could actually potentially be in this little bit of a channel here that I've drawn. Obviously, we would have broken out of here a little bit, but if we come back down, we might see some support around 14,000. But major targets for me would be coming in around 14,000 to 13,700, where that 400 weekly moving average is. So I'm going to be taking a look at those levels if we start to move down sharply. But overall, you guys want to keep an eye on traditional markets, because if the traditional markets come back down and retake this candle, then we will most likely see Bitcoin make a new lower low as well. All right, thanks everyone for listening. You guys can like and subscribe, help support the YouTube channel. And if you guys want to join the Discord and be free members and just be part of the community, feel free. Obviously, you won't have access to any trades. Trades are only for gold members, but if you guys want to become a gold member, you are more than welcome to as well. All the links are in the description, and so is my profit loss history. Love you guys. Peace.